When it comes to cool gadgets, men want technology that feels exciting. From high-tech smartwatches to crazy organizers, these are 21 coolest gadgets for men that are worth buying. Let's dig in. 1. Apple Vision Pro AR Headset. The Apple Vision Pro takes you into a world where work and play feel futuristic. You can check emails, watch movies, or design in 3 dimensions right before your eyes with stunning clarity. Light and comfortable, it follows your eyes for smooth control. Its sleek look also makes it stylish to wear. Apple combines power, comfort, and design in one device, making this headset a truly premium and exciting experience. 2. Tesla Cyberquad E-Scooter. Tesla surprises again with the Cyberquad E-Scooter, a futuristic ride that electrifies city commutes. With lightning-quick torque and silent performance, every journey feels thrilling yet eco-friendly. Inspired by the angular Cybertruck design, it commands attention anywhere. Perfect for navigating crowded streets, it blends efficiency with undeniable style. Its lightweight build and reliable battery pack make it practical without losing flair. Tesla captures the spirit of fun mobility in this sleek creation, combining futuristic looks with an exhilarating urban riding experience that redefines daily transport. 3. Sony LinkBuds S. The Sony LinkBuds S give you clear, rich sound while blocking out unwanted noise. With smart noise control, you can enjoy music deeply, yet stay aware when needed. Small and light, they sit comfortably in your ears for workouts, travel, or relaxing at home. They connect easily with Bluetooth and even work with voice assistants. Stylish and discreet, they bring premium sound and everyday comfort together in one impressive pair of earbuds. 4. Bose Smart Soundbar 900. Bose Smart Soundbar 900 elevates home entertainment to cinematic levels. Equipped with Dolby Atmos, it creates immersive sound that flows naturally throughout your room, making every movie or song feel alive. Its sleek exterior fits effortlessly into modern spaces, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity ensure smooth pairing with your favorite devices. Integration with smart assistants allows hands-free control, transforming your living room into a futuristic entertainment hub. Crisp treble, powerful bass, and balanced tones come together beautifully. 5. Oura Ring Gen 3. The Oura Ring Gen 3 looks like a stylish ring, but it works like a powerful health coach. Worn on your finger, it tracks sleep, heart rate, activity, and recovery without ever feeling bulky. Its smart sensors give you clear insights so you know when to push harder or rest. Sleek and discreet, it blends with any style while quietly helping you live healthier, sharper, and more in control every day. 6. Razer Wolverine V3 Pro Controller. The Razer Wolverine V3 Pro is a controller made for gamers who want to play their best. Its buttons react quickly with no delay, so every press counts in fast games. The back paddles can be changed to fit your own style, giving you more control during battles. Soft grips make it easy to hold for hours, while colorful lights add style. It works with both console and PC, making it a strong choice for serious gaming fun. 7. DJI Mini 4 Pro Drone. The DJI Mini 4 Pro makes every trip exciting with sharp 4K video and smart flying features. Small and light, it fits into any bag and is ready for action anytime. Beginners enjoy the safety sensors and auto-stabilizing that make flying easy and safe. Skilled pilots like the long battery life and strong performance that capture amazing shots. Whether you love traveling, adventure, or creating cool videos, this drone lets every journey become a fun chance for beautiful sky-high memories. 8. LARQ Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. The LARQ Self-Cleaning Water Bottle makes drinking water smarter and cleaner. With a special UVC light inside, it kills germs and removes odors at the press of a button. That means every sip tastes fresh and pure without strange flavors. The design looks stylish and strong, while insulation keeps drinks hot or cold for hours. Perfect for hikes, office days, or travel, it gives you confidence with every use. LARQ shows that even a water bottle can feel exciting and modern. 9. Theragun Prime Massage Gun. The Theragun Prime is made to relax sore muscles and ease tension after tough workouts or long busy days. With different speed settings, it focuses on tight spots to speed recovery and reduce pain. Athletes enjoy its strong massage power, while office workers love the comfort it brings after hours at a desk. Light and easy to hold, it is powerful without being heavy. Quiet Force technology keeps it calm and quiet. Theragun Prime makes recovery simple, soothing, and fun every day. 10. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a phone that feels like magic. It opens from a regular phone into a mini tablet, giving you more space for streaming, gaming, or working on the move. With its fast Snapdragon chip, it handles heavy tasks smoothly. The strong hinge makes folding easy and reliable, while the bright screen and quick refresh rate keep everything sharp. Stylish and flexible, it shows why foldable phones are leading the future of mobile technology in 2025. 11. Ember Smart Mug 2. The Ember Smart Mug 2 makes sure your coffee or tea always stays warm, so every sip is just right. You can set the exact temperature using the app and enjoy at your own pace. Its design feels modern, and the warming base keeps drinks ready without effort. Perfect for mornings, work, or relaxing at night, it turns an ordinary cup into a cozy, stylish, and surprisingly fun experience. 12. Anova Precision Cooker Nano. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano makes you feel like a pro chef without even trying. This small tool heats water to the perfect temperature, so steaks, chicken, and vegetables come out juicy and flawless every time. With app control, you can cook from anywhere and still impress friends with restaurant-level meals. Light and portable, it clips onto any pot and gets to work fast. For guys who love food and gadgets, it makes cooking fun, smart, and seriously impressive. 13. Fossil Gen 7 Hybrid Smartwatch. Fossil Gen 7 Hybrid Smartwatch blends timeless analog charm with modern intelligence. Classic hands and physical dials hide discrete smart features like activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, and notification alerts. With customizable watch faces and impressive multi-week battery life, it eliminates constant charging frustrations. Its versatility allows smooth transitions from business meetings to gym sessions without sacrificing appearance. The durable build balances fashion with functionality, making it suitable for every occasion. 14. Oculus Quest 3 VR Headset. Oculus Quest 3 delivers immersive adventures without needing wires or a powerful computer. Equipped with enhanced graphics and a lighter design, it provides comfortable yet stunning virtual reality experiences. From action-packed gaming to guided fitness or even breathtaking virtual travel, Quest 3 transforms living rooms into limitless worlds. Its intuitive setup means anyone can dive into VR instantly, while precise motion tracking makes movements feel natural. 15. GoPro Hero 12 Black. GoPro Hero 12 Black is built for adrenaline seekers who want every moment captured in extraordinary detail. It records in stunning 5.3K resolution with buttery, hyper-smooth stabilization, ensuring thrilling activities look cinematic without shaky distractions. Versatile mounting options keep creativity limitless, whether attached to helmets, boards, or drones. Its intuitive controls and long-lasting battery enhance reliability during epic adventures. For capturing life's wildest moments, GoPro Hero 12 Black remains the action camera champion. 16. Logitech MX Master 3S Mouse. Logitech MX Master 3 Seconds transforms productivity with a precision-crafted design and intuitive features. Silent clicks deliver professional focus, while the electromagnetic mag-speed scroll wheel flies through documents or stops pixel-perfect. With customizable buttons and multi-device pairing, it adapts effortlessly across workflows, from spreadsheets to creative design. Its ergonomic shape ensures comfortable all-day use, reducing hand fatigue during long hours. Rechargeable via USB-C, it runs for weeks on a single charge. Logitech MX Master 3S Mouse, making work feel smoother, faster, and smarter in every task. 17. Nixplay Digital Photo Frame. Nixplay Smart Digital Photo Frame keeps memories alive with vibrant displays that refresh instantly. Syncing through Wi-Fi, it automatically pulls photos and videos from phones or cloud albums, updating without effort. Remote sharing options allow loved ones to upload photos instantly, making it feel personal and connected across distances. Nixplay combines nostalgia with innovation, turning photo sharing into an ever-evolving living experience. 18. Philips Wake Up Light. Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light reinvents mornings with a gentle sunrise simulation. Gradually increasing light brightness mimics natural dawn, waking you calmly rather than abruptly. It is scientifically proven to improve sleep cycles, and it is perfect for those struggling with dark mornings. Philips Smart Sleep makes waking up refreshing, easing transitions into the day with energy and balance. 19. Oura Carafe Smart Coffee Dispenser. The Oura Carafe Smart Coffee Dispenser makes hydration luxurious with one-touch convenience. It provides perfectly brewed coffee instantly, replacing plastic bottles while elevating everyday drinking. Smart controls allow easy customization, making it ideal for both personal use and entertaining guests. Refreshment becomes an experience, with crystal-clear water that matches modern lifestyles. Oura Carafe proves hydration can be indulgent and environmentally thoughtful. 20. Key Smart Key Organizer. Key Smart Rugged Titanium Key Organizer reimagines how men carry essentials. Instead of bulky jingling keys, it stacks them neatly into a slim, silent form. Crafted from durable titanium, it resists daily wear while maintaining a sleek appeal. Beyond keys, it includes integrated tools like a bottle opener, creating convenience in your pocket. Perfect for travelers or professionals, it ensures quick access without noise or clutter. 21. Rocketbook. The Rocketbook Everlast makes writing feel classic while keeping things modern. Its pages work with special pens you can erase, so you reuse them again and again without wasting paper. With the app, your notes instantly save to the cloud, meaning nothing ever gets lost. Students, creators, and busy workers love how it blends handwriting with digital storage. Built to last, it is smart, eco-friendly, and always ready for your ideas. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. Tell us in the comments which of these gadgets you'd love to get. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what comes next. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.